just bought a brand new vacuum cleaner. We are going to unbox it in this video. I'm going to review it. We're going to be vacuuming carpet, hardwood, stairs, you name it. We're going to put this thing to the test to see if this is a good purchasing decision. So let's get started. Here. You don't shed, do ya? Let me see. You don't shed, do ya? But look at the state of this carpet. Woohoo! We need to clean this carpet. All right, let's open this thing up and take it out. Are you ready? You help me out? You can take those things out if you like, one by one. And I'm gonna take this out. Seems to be packaged pretty well. Will you pull that down for me? Okay. It's okay. Just pull that stuff off of there. There you go. Now that we've got it unboxed, let's give you a peek at what is what. We've got the wand here and the attachment piece for carpet. We've got this attachment piece, the long hose, and the unit itself. Check out those bristles. I like that you can see it. It is clear, so you know when it's clogged or when it's got too much hair. There's your bin, your filter. This thing is supposed to be the bee's knees. Let's see if my son and I can figure this out. All right, let's get it down here. Go ahead. Put the wand. Whoops, it's got to come up through there, right?
Dad.
What? Like that?
No, this is for the hose.
No,
See?
I think.
Look, it's for the hose.
No, the hose goes, and then the hose goes here. Oh, yeah. There's a big one and a small one. Big one, small one. Put it in first and then turn it. And it locks. How easy is that? And what about this? Now we take this side. You ready? Go ahead. We're going to put it in there. Push it in and then turn it. And it locks. Very good. Sure, you can put that in there. That's pretty easy. So we can adjust the setting. Okay. We'll start on 3 and see how that goes. Okay. This is the wand release button.
What's wand? Oh.
We'll check this out. Go ahead and press it, and then that pulls out. And you can detach the hose. Can you, and then can you put a, yeah, let's put this on.
Or you can put.
Okay. So that's kind of cool. There we go. That's nice. And then we can switch out that with this one as well. This is the pet hair cleaner attachment. Let's take a look at underneath here. Get a sense for the quality of brushes, the brush and the wheels. It rotates and spins freely. That's good. Okay. Wheels are a little loud, but I mean, it is plastic for sure. Okay, let's lift it back up. And how do we take this thing off? Oh, you just grab it like that. Pull it towards you. There you go. Whoa, that's a, you can fit a lot in there. To empty it, ooh, so you just kind of, with one hand, unlatch it and then just shakes over the garbage can. That's nice. Cool. And then we'll put it back on. and click it. I think you push it back on. Here's the power button. And this is the locking mechanism. Can you come pull this back for me? Okay, now pull it forward. Good.
How do you come on? That.
Mm-hmm.
And then.
Does it need to face the other way?
Yeah, face the other.
Okay, what do you think? Are we ready to try this out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, watch out. Daddy's gonna try it first. So, we move that. Ooh, swivel action. Check that out. It's kind of cool. Oh. So, see it's kind of stopping. Let's put it up on. There we go. Hear that? And we can even put it up even more. Whoa, look at all that stuff already. That's circulating. Whoa, listen to that. Whoa, gross. Look at all that stuff already. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. We haven't even vacuumed that much.
Look at that!
Okay, I'm gonna turn that off for just a second. Let's see how much stuff is in there. Whoa, can you tell that that our old vacuum was it's probably been dead for a while. It picked up that much stuff in just like a 2x2 square of carpet. Holy cow. That's got some pretty good suction power, I think. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. You gotta press it. Turn it on. Come on, give it a kick. There you go. Let's slow this down a little bit so you can see all the disgusting beauty. Look at that. All right, we're gonna see if it goes over this. Okay, let's lower it one more. Whoa! Done! All right, so we just vacuumed the carpet and the rug. All right, ready to take it out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me get a good look at it first. Turn around. Whoa, that's pretty gross. Okay, put it over there. No, tip it upside down. Put it over there. Make sure it's over. And let it rip. Give it a shake. Nice. Oh, dude. That's pretty gross. And this part comes right off. And this is so nice because there's no bags. This is completely bagless. I should also point out these little side brushes when you go along cabinets or baseboards. Next, we're going to put on this pet hair attachment and see how it handles stairs. You can feel it and hear it kind of grinding against the carpet, which tells me it's getting down in there. Ah, Daddy likey. All right. Let's see how much was used. Ooh, there's a lot that was picked up. So I'd say that worked pretty well. Now we're going to do the upstairs. Look at me go. Maybe enjoying this a little too much, I have to say. It is kind of fun. Nothing beats a good clean, deep clean of your home. My goodness. Why does that feel so good? All right, let's empty this. It's got some crazy suction power filled up. Again, that space I did my kids' rooms and our room and the hallway. A little bit of the bathroom there. But man, it's got this deep reach and just gets everything up. Now let's take it to the dining room table downstairs. I want to try out that little crevice vacuum attachment piece. I've got my handmade table that I made 15 years ago. This was a very cool project, but there's some crevices you can see, and over time those fill up with crumbs and little beads if the kids are doing craft activities or something. So I'm gonna just get the crevice tool out here and see how this cleans. Yeah, that worked really well. I like it. You got to wind the cord up just like this. There's two kind of mounting points here. The top one swivels down so you can slip it off easily, but really simple. This was not unlike our previous vacuum. And this is kind of my pet peeve, leaving the cord undone, so I always like to wind it up tight when I'm finished. And the vacuum cleaner stores just like this. We'll put it in our pantry and call it good. Overall, a recommended buy. Hopefully this helps you out. Stay sneaky.